Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn, the topic is l'article défini, indefinite article. Okay, so you can understand what is exactly l'article défini and what we actually use in English to mean a, right? So l'article défini, as you know, in the last class actually I have taught you regarding definite article. Okay, so definite article also like that also, it is treated, or it will be used in French according to the subject. So the if the subject is masculine, the article will be un. If the subject is feminine, article will be un. Okay, so just now I'm giving you an example that for masculine singular number it will be un, un. For feminine singular number it will be un. For masculine and feminine plural it will be they. So before the subject, before the noun, if the noun is masculine number and it's a singular form, then we will use an. And if the subject or noun is feminine and it's a singular form, then we will use un. And if it's a plural, it can be masculine or it can be feminine, both. But if it's a plural form, then we will use they. Just I'm giving you some examples to understand, like a cat, un chat, a house, une maison, some apple, des pommes, some houses, des maisons, a girl, une fille, a exercise book, un cahier, a dog, un chien, a dog, un chien. So, like a cat, the cat is a masculine number, so that is why un chat. A house is feminine in French, so that is why une maison. Some apple, des pommes. Apple is a feminine number, so if we say that a apple, then we will see une pomme. Okay, but as it is some apple, so that is why it is des pommes. So whether it's a feminine or whether it's a masculine, we will use they in the form of plural. Some houses, des maisons. A girl, une fille. A exercise book, un cahier. A dog, un chien. So I have given you some examples. So there are a lot of examples actually we can give, but to make you understand that what exactly we need to use as a l'article défini to before the noun or the subject to make a sentence. Okay, so today I will end up the class here only. That's all for today's class. So see you soon in my next class. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.